Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to activate a promo code on Octa application. To activate a promo code on Octa trading, first of all, open up your Octa application on your device and from the main homepage after logging in, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, tap on Promo Codes. Now click on the Activate Promo Code button and then enter your promo code in the text box and then tap on Activate. After activating the promo code, proceed to deposit funds into your trading account, and once your deposit is credited, you can manually activate the bonus in your profile. And that's how you easily use or activate promo code in Octa application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.